This video explains how to properly store the SP-401S lighting unit when it is not in use. Correct storage conditions are essential to preserve battery health and ensure reliable operation after long periods of inactivity. The SP-401S must be stored in a dry, clean room at room temperature. Avoid areas exposed to high humidity, dust, or extreme temperatures, as these conditions can shorten the lifetime of the lamp and its components. There are two available storage methods, depending on whether the lamp can remain connected to a charger. The first method keeps the unit connected to power. The second method disconnects the internal power circuit using the transport fuse. To remove the lighting unit from the permanent mount, start by unscrewing the 4 screws from underneath the mounting plate. Lift the lighting unit from the mounting plate. The first storage method is to keep the transport fuse activated and the lamp permanently connected to the OCT-401 charger. This approach ensures that the batteries remain fully charged at all times and protected from deep discharge. The second method is recommended when the lamp cannot stay connected to power for long periods. First, charge the lamp to 100%. 10 consecutive green flashes on the charge status LED indicate that the lamp is fully charged. For more information about the status LED indicator, refer to the video SP-401S, device monitoring via status LED indicator, or consult the SP-401S user's manual. For the second storage method, prepare a flathead screwdriver. De-energize the lighting unit's electrical circuit by unscrewing the transport fuse counterclockwise using a flathead screwdriver. Remove the transport fuse from the holder. Screw the fuse holder back in. When screwing the fuse holder into the socket in the lamp housing, apply firm pressure while turning with a flathead screwdriver to avoid damaging or wearing out the slot. Alternatively, you do not need to unscrew the fuse holder completely. You can simply loosen it enough to break the electrical circuit. For more details about deactivating the transport fuse, refer to the video SP-401S, Transport Fuse Deactivation. To activate the fuse, refer to the SP-401S, Transport Fuse Activation video. The unit is now ready to be stored in a dry, clean room at room temperature. For additional information on how to store the device when not in use, please refer to the SP-401S Maintenance Manual.